Hi there traders, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the UK pound, British sterling and also the euro, both against the US dollar in here. Slightly different tones in here. We've had this really strong rally in here from late October, particularly though early November, all based on the fact that we've got more optimism around a deal on Brexit, and that's seen a surging rally neutralizing the intermediate term bearish thing. We did see a more bearish tone in here with this sell-off that we saw in the second half of October, primarily driven by US dollar strength, but also Brexit concerns. But this surging rally in here up through 130.44 has neutralized the intermediate term bearish theme, and now back into a broader range. And now we see that range defined by 132.58 here on the top side and 129.64. And within that broader range, given this surging rally, despite the sell-off that we saw in here in the last week, at the end of last week, we still see upside pressures coming through, and we do see the skewed risk within the range for a pushback higher and for a challenge up to here to 132.58 and potentially a more bullish tone. In contrast, in here's the euro versus the dollar. Hardly any rebound, a real lackluster rebound that we saw here in early November. The market unable to really build on anything on the upside, and giving that up in here in the last week or so. We still see a range environment here now defined as 113.00. The market defended here at the turn of the month. We defended this critical support in here from August at 113.00, rebounding exactly from that level. But what we see a range between 116.21 to 113.00. But the market here getting close to that 113.00 level back on Friday, and be going into this week. We see real risk for a push down through 113.00, and then for a more bearish theme to trigger as we go into November. This has been Steve Miley, market chartist for forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.